First of all, congratulations to Usain Bolt. Job
well done.
You have accomplished what no other human being has done for the 100-meter race event at the Olympics. Well done. Truly a superb performance. And Bolt, I will have you know that I did not doubt you were going to win for a split second. Yo, give me 2 bills per you one, you see me? You ma go take you, bossy. Which boat, yo, a Blake I go win the race, I want to tell you. Or Safa. Yo, you know what? Give me 3 bills per Safa, yeah, man. Yeah, man, I go took shit, man. Bolt. But no, we're not racing on this. Big up yourself and the rest of the Jamaican team. Big up the rest of the athletes too, you see me? You see who no? Slap where, whap where, clat where for Team Jamaica. Secondly, I would like to address a little situation. Morass Green. That's the way your name changed to now. Your big ball in your face. Now for those who don't know, a couple weeks back I was watching I'm kind of sick. A couple weeks back, I was watching an interview with this LL Cool J looking stunt double tie fella. Big ballin' Morass. So they asked him if Bolt was gonna win the race, and he said, no, he's not gonna win. I mean, mentally, he might be the same person, but physically, he's not the same person, you know? He's not gonna win, man. It's 4 years later. He's not gonna win. Now, the first thing that came to mind when he said this was, shut your... And I was just looking for somebody to run from out of nowhere and just give him one dirty lick. Go right upside him, big ball it. Give him one rotted lick. Damn bright. Now by this point I'm pissed, but me still I watch the interview for hear what kind of predictions the big ball crystal head foresees. What kind of shit him a go regurgitate. Big shined. So the man ask him who a go win. If Bolt now win, who a go win the race? And the brother go say, the British sprinter. I mean, he's young, he has nothing to lose, and if he runs like he did the other day, then there's nothing stopping him from winning this race. When him said that steam pipe bust, and this was my reaction. Hold on, when just say that brother a ras mad. He must sniff weed and a smoke coke and a drink mad puss piss. Brother, I need he want a good slap out of one last. Oh, Bolt now win. I mean, people, I just reached my like a Sparta moment.
This is Jamaica!
My head just hot up like leftovers. I said, people, me just want somebody running in and kick him 9 thorax. Right in 9 thorax. They kinda kick them cause internal bleeding. Internal bleeding. Give him a Steven Seagal, Bruce Lee, Van Damme, Ong Bak, Street Fighter 4, Tekken Tag, Dirty Ras kick, internal bleeding. If you bubble them rubbishness there, them foolishness there, them rubbish there. Big shined, make bad mind make you chat shit. Yeah man, a bad mind you have. It's not a physical disease, it's a mental one. And in Jamaica we consider bad mind to be worse than damn AIDS. But don't worry, we have the cure for it. Yeah man, I slap out a one piece of 2 before, I slap out a one cutlass. I mean the man not even say another Jamaican a go win. Him not even say one of him American homies I go win. You gone as far as to say the British sprinter, the little young youth there, I go run left Bolt and all the other greats in the race. Come on, Morass, man. Hassan. The man said the British youth to us. Really? How are you? One British visa? Your big flux spear shined. Bolt win. So how you feel now? How you feel? Your Morpheus shined. Your Xavier, Professor X shined. Your damn shined you. You have to name back up all the rubbish you did that chat. Your big shined, balled, shined. So you can check my reflection in your big shined. Jamaica to the world. You hear that, Morass Green? And another thing, Morass. Before you try and make predictions, notice. I will never give the power to a bald head. Damn shined. And you see right now, Jamaica team, Bolt and me, we ya chase those crazy bald heads out of town. We ya chase those crazy bald heads out of town. Respect to all the other athletes, you know, from every other country. But you don't know, Team Jamaica to the world. Pick up yourself, Bolt. We dash in with hand for the winning. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia.